Service dogs are the little heroes in people's lives, our helpers. Service dogs can help many people. They help blind people. They can help people with diabetes or epilepsy. The dogs are trained to warn their owners before a problem starts. They can call for help and bring medicines, and they can smell a problem before it starts. Guide dogs are a person's eyes. They help people to walk through a town or a park. The dogs are intelligent and well trained, and they help people in everyday life. They are friends and helpers. It takes 2 years to train a dog. We should support the dog trainers with donations, a little money. If we support trainers, we are helping disabled people to lead an easier life. Dogs are amazing, a good friend and a helper every day. You see dogs also working at airports, looking for drugs. You see police dogs helping policemen. And you see avalanche dogs in the mountains helping to find people. Dogs are amazing. They can learn to do so many different things. They are just incredible.